All right, welcome to everybody over at Creative Design Contractors LLC. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how we can increase our online presence. Okay, first off, I actually struggled finding your website. Okay, it says right here, creativedesigncontracting.com. So naturally, I looked it up, and this is what happened. Site cannot be reached. I don't know why, but that's something that we need to fix. Okay. Nonetheless, we can continue. There are 3 things I'm going to talk with you about today. Okay. The first one is going to be a citation. A citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Okay. And businesses, we like to get the Google My Business page up. All right. And that usually pops up in this right hand corner right here. Okay, I could show you an example of that in a moment. The second thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. All right, what's a backlink? A backlink is simply a website that has an ad in it that points to your website, bringing in more traffic to your business. Okay, and in this organic section right here, the organic section starts when we see actual businesses pop up. Okay, so that's kind of where backlinks start. Okay, so we have organic listing, we have directories. So a directory is a website that lets businesses put their information on there. So Angie's List does this, BBB, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, those are directories. Okay, we have the Google Map Pack right here. So businesses in this area get the most calls, so we want to get your business in there when we can. Google guarantees are better than regular ads because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices. So keep that in note. Jot that down wherever you have to do. Okay. All of this is important because we want to help out as many people as we possibly can. Right? Good. On to the next thing. The third and final thing is content. Okay, content is anything that is on a website, even what a picture is saved as. So if I save this picture right here, what it should say is, instead of B, it should have the business name saved as that. Okay, so Envirotech Pest Control. So they need to have that in there because Google likes that. Google will start ranking your website more and more, therefore putting it in front of more people, putting it on the first page of Google. And that is our end goal, to get you on the first page of Google. Okay, we want to get there. People need to see your business. People don't know you guys exist. People need to see your website. People need to see your business pop up. Okay, so this website right here, this is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. All right, this is something that you can do on your own though. All right, I know a lot of business owners are busy, so they'd rather have somebody who knows what they're doing come in and do all the work behind the scenes. Okay, so this is their numbers, Envirotech Pest Control. I'm going to explain to you what these numbers are. So Ahrefs pays Google for these numbers, right? And out of a 100-point scale, they have a 36. That's how much trust that Google has in their website. Domain rating, that's how much power that Google has in their website, that Google gives their website. They have a 5 out of 100. They're not doing great. Referring domains, they have 38.8 thousand backlinks. Now remember what I said about backlinks. There are other websites that have ads in them that point to your website. Okay, so I can tell that these backlinks are not good backlinks because it's keeping this number low. All right, there's a direct correlation. All right, what's an example of a good backlink? A good backlink is a website that says 10 best Syracuse pest control services. That's a good one. You don't want to put your ads in a website like a sporting goods website or a restaurant website in the area. You don't want to do that. They're bringing in 4.3 thousand people a month to their website. Those are monthly numbers. All right, and traffic value, they're bringing around 5.5 thousand a month with their website, and they do points per click. That's the PPC. They're spending 10 grand a month almost on like Google ads. All right, keywords are super powerful. That's the last thing I want to touch on tonight. All right, What is a keyword? A keyword is anything anyone looks up on Google. Okay, so when I looked up pest control, Syracuse, New York, that's one keyword. All right. Keywords, bed bugs look like. They're ranking first for that, believe it or not. So what do bed bugs look like? So the volume here, this is monthly. How many people search for each keyword? So keep that in mind, and we want to rank in the first position for as many keywords as we can when we build your website, okay? I'm not sure if your website's being built, but we can do that, all right? We can do that for you. So these numbers right here, think about it. So if 3,700, 8,200 people are looking for these monthly, and we're ranking in the first position, think about what that's going to do for our business. We're going to get most of these calls, okay? People need to know that you guys exist, and you guys are valid, and you guys are popping up on the front page of Google for the right keywords. All right, we're going to take a look at competitors when we do this, and what's working for them will work for you. Okay, so that's kind of what we will go through when finding keywords and good backlinks. Okay, one more competitor, Gannon Pest Control. Their website is super basic. Their numbers, they have a 31 and a 7. All right, so they have 230 keywords that they're ranking for, 790 backlinks. But again, not every backlink is created equal. It's keeping this number very low because they're bad backlinks. Bringing around $16,000 a month, 1.5 thousand people visit their website. Let's see what they're ranking for real quick. Just kind of give you a better idea, because we want to rank for not national keywords but local keywords. So Syracuse, surrounding areas, if you do Onondaga area, all right, something like that. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, when we're doing this, that's something that we'll have to do. Exterminator, Syracuse, New York, 150. B exterminator near me, 4,800. Exterminator, Syracuse, 150. So think about this. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me through this 7-minute video. All right, it's about to be 8 minutes. I don't want to waste any more of your time or my own. So let me know if you're looking to work together. All right, there's a lot of value here. If you're not looking to work together, that's totally fine. Run off with these free tips that I gave you today and do something with it, because every business nowadays needs to have an online presence. Okay, they need to have social media proof, and they need to just be in front of customers' eyes. All right, so you're the hero of your business at the end of the day. All right, I'm just the guy giving you some free tips. I treat my business like a baby, and you should too. Okay, do whatever it takes to keep that baby growing. All right, I appreciate it, seriously. Let me know what you guys think. Give me some feedback on if this was informative. I look forward to hearing from you. Appreciate it. Have a good one.